Hi guys, my name is Vamsi Krishna. I am from ECEC section. My roll number is 20BQ1A04D6. Now I am saying about compounding of plastics. Compounding of plastics. The meaning of compounding of plastics is the process which involves the addition of certain additives to the plastic in order to import some special properties to the plastic is known as compounding of plastics. In compounding of plastics, after adding these materials, the raw polymer becomes useful and termed as plastics, and the materials which are added to the raw polymers are known as compounding integrants or consistence of compounding or simply additives. These additives will improve the workability of plastics and change the properties of plastics. And the main compounding ingredients and their functions are given below. First one is resin, and it is also known as binder. Second one is plasticizers, and third one is fillers, and fourth one is lubricants, and fifth one is stabilizers, and sixth one is pigments or colorants. First one is resins or binder. The raw polymer itself is known as resin. This will hold all the ingredients together, hence it is termed as a binder. The examples of resin is thermoplastics and thermosets. Thermoplastics are PE, PVC and PS, and thermosets are bakelite and urea and resin. And second one is plasticizers. These materials will these materials will provide plasticity and flexibility. That means these materials have more flexibility. Examples: the common user plasticizers are vegetable oils, camphor and ester of stearic and oleic acid. And we can observe two diagrams at here. This is the first diagram. This is polymeric chain held by attractive forces, and in the second diagram we can observe these dotted ones. These are the plasticizers, and this makes the chains more flexibility. And third one is fillers. These are solid additives. These materials will provide or improve the mechanical properties. These materials are cheaply available. These materials will reduce the cost of the product. Examples: addition of charcoal to natural rubber increases its tensile strength, and addition of asbestos to a plastic material provides heat and corrosion resistance. And chalk, CaCO3, it is a chalk, and BaSO4, these are very cheaply available fillers. And the fourth one is lubricants. These materials will provide glassy finish to the polymer articles. That means these gives the smooth finish to the particles. These materials will prevent the plastic materials from sticking of the mold, and examples are waxes, oils, soaps and etc. And fifth one, stabilizers. These materials will provide thermal stability to the polymers. Example: BaSO4, salt of PbCdBa and stearates. And last one, sixth one, pigments or colorants. Color importing substances are well known as pigments. Example: white color, ZNO, TiO2 and CaCO3. And black color are carbon black, and red color are red Pb and Fe2O3. Thank you guys.